Hey everyone, whether you've been following my journey for years or you've just rolled through your first 3D revolution, I hope that in some way I've managed to help you as you become the very best maker you can be, whether that be through exploring laser engraving, mastering 3D printing, or adding another technological tool to your maker's arsenal. Some of you may know of my past as a wildlife documentary cameraman, where I was traveling the world to remote locations filming wildlife for the likes of BBC, Disney, and Apple. On a shoot several years ago, I fell 230 feet down an alpine mountain, an accident which very nearly killed me and has since put my life on a very different path. Relaunching my channel became instrumental in my self-imposed recovery plan, and now it's an even more important aspect of my life. I'm not some sort of game-changing engineer who's going to usher in the next generation of 3D printing technology, but what I can do is take the complicated world surrounding 3D printing and maker and creative technologies, make it accessible and share that with you. I've got big plans for the future of this channel and I would love for you to be part of that too. Now I'm introducing memberships here on my channel on YouTube where you can become my 3D revolutionaries. There are 3 tiers available, and depending on which you join, you will get a host of benefits, including early access to my videos, exclusive access to the 3D Rev community, influence over what content I make, a best line of communication with myself for help and assistance, and in the future, access to exclusive video content and 3D designs. Regardless of which tier you join, you'll be supporting me and my channel, allowing me to continue producing this content, whether it be tutorials, news, projects, or something else. If you would like to join and become a member, all you have to do is hit the join button below one of my videos or on my channel. I know that not everyone is able to become a member, and if that's you, a like and subscribe on my videos is all the support I could possibly ask for. Regardless, I would like to extend a huge thank you to everyone that has watched and enjoyed my videos over the past 7 years. All of the positivity and the support and the constructive criticism that I've received has meant so much to me, so thank you to each and every one of you. With the challenges I've faced since my accident, it takes even more work to produce these videos, but with the support of the community, the drive to do so has also increased. Every time I receive a comment from someone saying my video has helped them, it's truly made my day. So with that, if you would like to join me, you know what to do. And either way, as usual, thanks very much everyone, and until next time, happy printing. If you want to become a 3D revolutionary, make sure you hit that join button before you forget. If you already are, or you're not able to right now, check out some of my other content, and until next time, happy printing.